Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO A17, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. Now to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so for me it's already open, obviously. But you want to open up content and have it show up on your screen. Once it is, hold power key and volume down at the same time. There we go. And let it go after like a second or two, and it should capture a screenshot. I believe it also gave us a shortcut. Let's just see. Yep. So we do have a 3-finger shortcut for screenshots as well. So if I do it now, there we go. It captures that as well. Now once you do, you have two options: share and a long screenshot, meaning if you have content that can be scrolled down, you can enable that and it will continuously scroll down and capture a longer and longer version of this same image. Now afterwards, once you capture your screenshots, you can locate them in your album application, and you want to navigate into albums, and it will be visible under screenshots right over here, and you can see there are the two screenshots I have captured. So there we go. Now if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.